Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to check search history on TikTok. So let's get started. Let me just mention you that if you are using your TikTok application and maybe you are having a conversation with somebody and you wanted to see if they sent you any kind of message, you can simply go in your inbox of the TikTok. So for that, let me just open up the TikTok account, and now on the bottom here is the inbox. All right, so tap on the inbox, and now here is the inbox that if somebody sent you any kind of message, you can get right here. On the other hand, if you are having a issue, or let's say you submitted a help request or reported an issue or appealed against any kind of restriction or something like that on the TikTok application, then what you're going to do is to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right over here. Just tap on the profile, and then what you can simply do, just tap on the three dots on the upper side. Then you need to go to the settings and privacy option. Alright, then scroll it down until you find the option called report a problem. Just tap on that. And then on the right upper side, you will see the clock icon right over here. Just tap on the clock icon. And now here you will see your support tickets, like the conversation or the message you have sent to the TikTok authority, like the moderator or so on. So you will get the messages in front of you right over here. All right, then let's just go back and again back, and then from here again go with the support option right over here. After that, you need to tap on the safety center, and now here is the report records. So tap on that, and now you will see the report records of your account will be shown here. Then just go back, and then if you just tap on the account status, and now you will see the account is in good standing. Like if you have any kind of guideline strike or any kind of restriction, you will get to see right in front of you in this section. So I hope this video may help you out in many ways. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if you got your answer or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.